We're gonna start.
Okay, so the roll will go on and the film will go down the middle of those two rolls. Okay? It is then going to come under this first roller, this roller here. Okay? It'll come under that. It'll go over this black roller, and it'll pull itself straight as we come through. Okay, so it'll come straight like that. We're then going to go under that black roller, and we go through the middle of these two rollers under here. And you can pull that off that handle to take the tension away, or you can just pull it through. Okay, and so that's then under that roller. Okay, we then go over this roller, under that one, over that, and that's the swing arm which keeps the tension on the film. We're going to open the film up, one each side of this. Okay. Under this roller. Close that. Then we're going to do our triangle. So we'll go over the top of that one. Feed that all under. Get our bottom one from there and bring it over that way. Let all that go that way. So we'll get our top piece. Open these jaws. So our top piece is here. This is our bottom piece, which we'll bring under there to get our two edges. We'll make sure this is all square. Okay, our two pieces here. We're going to go in the middle of these two rollers, and we're going to shove it into those rollers. Then we'll cut the film and take that away. And then drive a bit of film, cut. Drive. Cut. Got the film here. Might do one more. And then we'll tie the film off. Over the top of that roller. So then you're going to put this down, and then we'll just check that the film's all straight. We're going to go there. Seal. Seal. And then we had this bar that we can put back in. Just so you've got that on video too. Which will just help keep the film off the belt. And that's how you do it.